Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove restricted mode on TikTok. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application, and then at the bottom right corner you need to click on the profile button. Here it is. Then you need to make sure you logged in your account, and then at the top right you need to click on the three lines button, and then the last option, settings and privacy. Here it is. Then you will see different options. You need to scroll down a little bit and then find content preferences option. Here it is. And then the second option is restricted mode option. You need to click on that one option. Then you will see this interface, and then if this mode is enabled, all you need to do is to click on the red button turn off at the bottom of your screen, and then this restricted mode will be automatically disabled. Actually, you will see this window. After that you can choose any of these options, and also you can close this window and your restricted mode will be disabled. So, and that's all, and that's how to remove restricted mode on TikTok. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.